And Black Friday in Southern California off to a big start. Shoppers hitting the stores all full of turkey, carbs, and whatnot. That's coming up in 3 minutes. It's 8:57.
Video and Audio Center Black Friday doorbuster deals. Direct from Sony, Samsung, LG, and more. Doors open Friday, 7:30 a.m. Video and Audio Center, where Santa shops the most incredible electronic deals of perfect gifts under $100, like the Sony fabulous Bluetooth speaker. Sony, $35. Gifts under $200, like the Sonos wireless speaker, just $149. Take the Sony 65-inch 4K Smart HD, $499. Black Friday doorbuster deals at Video and Audio Center.
I'm Tim Smith, and for over 100 years, Bob Smith BMW has dedicated itself to you with our large inventory and state-of-the-art dealership experience. We go out of our way to make sure you can enjoy all the luxury and sportiness that BMW has to offer. And now you can also share in the fun of owning a Mini as we moved our showrooms together. So come visit Bob Smith BMW and Mini in Calabasas. You'll see why it's called the ultimate buying experience. Online at bobsmithbmw.com.
J-Rock Absolute Almost Acoustic Christmas 2019. Night 1, Saturday, December 7th, on the Center in Anaheim. Back. Cage the Elephant, Jimmy Eat World. Younger Johnny. Angels and Airwaves, Cold War Kids, The Head and the Heart, Catfish and the Bottlemen. J-Rock Absolute Almost Acoustic Christmas 2019. Night 1. Tickets on sale now. Proceeds benefit the Alvin Junior Heritage Center and Los Angeles from Absolute, Planet Earth's favorite podcast.
Are you an entrepreneur with automotive advertising or multi-product sales experience? Attracted to generous and immediate upfront payouts? Let's talk. CarPro USA's digital automotive solutions team is growing rapidly. The freedom to set your own hours, the flexibility to grow your own business with a nationwide brand trusted by car dealers and consumers. Email sales at carprousa.com. Email sales at carprousa.com. CarPro USA Dealer Solutions deliver immediate and long-term results. Email sales at carprousa.com.
Trust, live from the KNX Pet Boy Studio. Southern California's only 24-hour local news and traffic station. KNX, KRTH, FM HD2 Los Angeles. KNX 1070 News Radio. Radio.com station depends on them.
Tipping over top local story, leaving the computer behind and going shopping on Black Friday, the latest from the mall. Plus, a man arrested for allegedly setting fires to a high-rise building in downtown LA and tracing a big OC sewage spill to a golf course in Laguna Beach. These stories plus traffic every 10 minutes to 5. Center CBS covers the world at 9 o'clock. This is CBS News on the Hour, sponsored by Mass Mutual. I'm Peter King. London police say they've shot and killed a man who stabbed several people near London Bridge. Assistant Commissioner Neil Basu.
Due to the nature of the incident, we responded to those as terrorist related. I'm now in a position to confirm that it has been declared a terrorist incident.
It happened near the site of a similar attack 2 years ago. Correspondent Imtiaz Tayeb.
The attacker, who the police have confirmed is dead, was wearing a fake suicide vest, an improvised device. And the reason I say